Yeah, right. Super, super exciting. It is finally available for all of you. The Newer Worlds to complement New Worlds by Rob Appell for Benartex. Yours truly, that's right. Wonderful geometric basics. And I know you're all loving them from the first collection, but yes, the newest 9 colors are now out and available for you here at Stitchin Heaven. We're having all kinds of fun playing with them. I'm even starting another new project now, and I'm actually traveling today to Texas. Today's Friday, so there will not be a Friday live show this afternoon. I'm going to be on the airplane and then the rental car driving from Dallas out to Quitman. But Saturday, first Saturday, tomorrow, I will try to go live. We're going to have a wonderful display of all of the fabrics there in Quitman and a bunch of wonderful folks at the shop and a bunch of the quilts on display and everything. So I'm super excited and super blessed to have Newer Worlds by Benartex Fabrics available for all of you. Thanks again for supporting me and all of my crazy quilting adventures. I really know you're going to love this fantastic geometric basic line now available. 18 awesome colors plus stripes. It's just gonna actually keep getting better and better and better. And I'll see you on Saturday. Thanks, guys. Bye.